It's getting 2 new doors, and then I have a large quarter panel repair.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the cone. This ain't a persona. I do this for real. I'm hungry since the beginning.
Alright, I have a Honda Civic here. This one got hit down the side. It's getting 2 new doors, and then I have a large quarter panel repair all throughout here. I'll probably have to weld a few tabs on here to pull some of this jam area out. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start working this quarter panel out, and then I'll set my doors up, get everything lined up. Alright, well I got both of these doors fitting really nicely. I got the quarter panel, all the metal is worked out so it lines up with the rear door real nice. So I'm going to send this one over to Eric to do the fill work on the quarter panel, and I'm going to dive into my next one. So now I have a Toyota RAV4 here. This one got tapped in the back, not too bad, has some damage across the lift gate here I got to work out, and then also the rear body panel, all this area is pushed in. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to work this, get this back in shape, and then I'll go ahead and work the metal on the lift gate as well.